Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm going to make an infused tonic for fast hair growth using rosemary and guava leaves. Guava leaves are rich in antioxidant vitamins and essential nutrients. Guava leaves are known to help strengthen hair follicles, reduce hair fall, and prevent breakage. A study from 2022 found evidence that rosemary can aid in hair growth. The study stated that rosemary had the same effect as minoxidil, a hair growth medication, after 6 weeks of use. Use this infused tonic daily after your shampoo. Do not rinse.